Hello everybody and welcome back to my all-in-one $25 business tutorial. If you would, please do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button right below this video. That way you'll get notified every time when I make a new video. Also, if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. So for those of you that are new to this channel, my name is Wazir, aka Eve the Affiliate, and I became an affiliate marketer at the beginning of this year, January 1st to be exact, of 2022. With no prior experience whatsoever in affiliate marketing or making money online in general. So I'm pretty new to this, and I started seeing some videos and I started applying what I was seeing in those videos, and lo and behold, I started making money online. So whenever people say you don't need experience to join affiliate marketing programs, that is true. I can vouch for that. I'm showing you all, here's the proof. But I just want you all to know that if you're working a full-time job like I am, and you don't think that you have the time to do this, you only need about 2 hours a day to do this. So after I get off of work, I come home, I set aside about 2 hours with no distractions. I get distractions all the time. Trust me, I just ignore them, and I focus on starting my business. So I got a couple of programs I want to run by you real quick. Not programs, but a couple of, well, programs that I'm a part of that I want to show you all, that I have tutorials for, that you all can look at. The first one, this ain't really a tutorial, it's more of a review. Sorry for that. My computer lags. As soon as I start recording and I open up my recording program, it starts lagging. But this series right here for Savings Highway Global, I just joined this program July 29th, and I already have 50 people on my team. So that's 50 plus recurring commissions that I'm going to get this month. So I'll walk you all through. This first one is the webinar. This is real cool. Two of the top earners of the company, they put together a webinar that took place last week on August 30th. And they go over all the opportunities that you have with this company. Like, they really, it's 56 minutes long. So they really dive into in depth what all you get with this company and how the commissions work and stuff like that. And I do my own little review right here. And I'm going to make another video where I actually show you all the savings on the inside, that, because that's what it is. It's something that you can, it's a program where you can just save on everything that you do in your everyday activities. Traveling, shopping, gasoline, you name it. Theme parks, tickets, concerts, just everything. You can save money on absolutely everything. And if you don't want to promote it, you can just sign up just for the savings, and you'll save hundreds of dollars each month. So it's pretty cool. And then I go over the compensation plan on how they pay the people that do want to sell the product, and how powerful it is having a team like this. This is the only affiliate program that I know has a team. All these other programs like these that I'm about to show you, I have to go out and do the work all by myself in order to earn commissions. With Savings Highway Global, you don't have to do all the work, but you do have to refer 2 people in order to get the commissions. But the people that held this webinar, when you join our team, because it is a team, you have to join our team in order for this to happen. They put together a training program that is free for one, but it's worth probably over $15,000. And once you join the team, we give it to you for free. So there you have it with that. The one that you're watching now, I'm remaking this one right here. But these first 2 videos that I circled, they go more in depth with what you get on the inside and all of the training that they go over and what they're going to train you over. So I highly recommend watching those first 2 videos. And because in this series that I'm making right now, I kind of breezed through it. I didn't really go in depth with it. But once you get signed up, you will see all the training that they put into this as well. And what makes this company so special is, first off, it's only $25 to get started. So my high ticket one down here, it costs thousands and thousands of dollars to get started. For this one, it only costs $25. And they pay 80% commissions on all sales. Everything you sell, you'll get 80% commissions. You will not find hardly any affiliate programs out there that will pay you 80% commissions. So that is huge. And the main thing that they have is a funnel builder, kind of like ClickFunnels, if you're familiar with that. ClickFunnels charge $97 a month, and you can only make 20 funnels for $97 a month. With this, it's $25 a month and you can make unlimited funnels. So they're competing with ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is an excellent program for those of you that know about it. Y'all know ClickFunnels is where it's at. So we got a little competitor. You should check it out. It's real awesome. You can make unlimited amount of funnels, all from clicking and dragging. You don't have to know any kind of codes or anything like that. And I didn't mean to close this out. And the one I got started with at the beginning of the year on January 1st was this high ticket affiliate marketing series. And it does cost a lot to get started. They have up to 10 income streams. So that's 10 different ways that you can make money online promoting their products. But you have to own the products in order to earn those commissions. So the commissions can range from $20 to $3,200. But like I said, you have to earn those. You have to own those products in order to earn. So you have to own in order to earn. And I walk you through step by step what to do to promote those links to make money. And I have been interviewed by both of these companies, the all-in-one $25 business, the all-in-one $25 business, and this high ticket company. It's called Multiple Income Funnel. And they have the recordings in the back office. And I was just going over my strategies of what I was doing to coming in as a new person and making sales and getting my name on the leaderboard week in and week out. So I think I know what I'm doing whenever I say I could get your links out there to people for free. And I do have paid sources as well. And then I have this ClickBank series. ClickBank is free to join. So I made a series for people that can't afford all these other things. So I am thinking about people that aren't financially set as some other people. And I use a service called MLGS to promote ClickBank. And that's how I'm making money off of ClickBank, is using MLGS and promoting their products using that service. So check that out as well. All right, so I'm going to get started with this one. So we're back to the all-in-one $25 business. And for those of you that's been following along, I have some action steps to take in each video. And action steps that we are going to take today, let's see, we got a domain created. We connected that domain to our funnel builder. We got a business email. We got an autoresponder. We confirmed our email. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to authenticate your email. So that's the action for today, to get your email authenticated. That way you're not hitting the spam folder as often, and they know that you're a real legit business. So in order to do that, we're going to go back to Get Response. All right, so we're going to log into our Get Response. So click up here where it says log in. I've already been signed in, so it's automatically going to log me in. And over here at the top right, where it says profile, if you hover above it, we're going to click on that profile. Then we're going to click on manage account. Now from here, we're going to click on email addresses. And then we're going to click on the email that you want. So right here, I'm going to do the $25 for freedom. This is the email I want. Mine says authenticated. Yours might say authenticate or pending authentication. Something like that. If it says authenticate or whatever it says, just click on it and it should pop up this little window right here. Now what we're going to do right here, we're going to copy everything from right here, and we're going to stop right before this dot before your domain. So the last thing you should have highlighted should say domain key, if that makes sense. Do not copy that period right after that. So just stop right after it says domain key. So we're going to highlight that, and then we're going to right click on it and hit copy. So you got to make sure we have that copied. All right, so now we're going to come back. We're going to go to hbahosting.com. This is where we got our domain. So come back to hbahosting.com, and you can click on these I have them in the description too. So if you're watching, if you're just following along in the description, you can just click on that, and you can click on that and it'll take you to HBA hosting. But this is where we got our domain, and we're going to log in. So click up here at the top where it says log in. And I'm going to put in my credentials. All right. And then whenever you get logged in, we're going to hover above our name up here at the top. Then we're going to click on my account. Now the next thing we need to do is hover above where it says manage orders, and then click on where it says list/search orders. Then we're going to click on the domain that we want to authenticate. So we're going to click on this. All right. Yeah, so my fault. I got my camera in my way. Like my camera, I literally have to look around my camera. Yeah, so just click on the link, the domain that you want. Then on the far right, we're going to click on DNS management. And then we're just going to click on manage DNS. Now from here, we're going to click on, let me put it where I can see it. We're going to click on right here where it says TXT records. And I know that because right here, whenever we copy this code, it tells us right here, DKIM, create a TXT record for this. So we're going to click on, I'm going to come back to this little window. So we're going to click on TXT records. And we're going to click on add TXT record. Now we should already have this copied. So what we're going to do now is just going to click right here and we're going to paste whatever we have copied. I'm going to hit Control V to paste, but you can right click and hit paste, whatever. And you should have whatever you copied with domain key being the last thing that you copied, .yourdomain.com. All right, now in this box for the value, we're just going to come back over here and we're going to click on this button that says copy. It's going to copy this real long link that's inside of here. It is really long. And then all we have to do now is just come back to this little window. I got two of them open for some reason. Let me close this one. Then we're just going to paste it right here where it says value. So I'm going to hit Control V and paste, or you can right click and put it in there. And then we're going to make sure that this says 7200. Yours might say something different. I changed mine to 7200. So make sure yours says 7200. And then you will click on add record. My record is already added, so I'm not going to click add record, but you would click on add record. Then once you're done with that, you can come back here and click got it. And then refresh your page if it doesn't say authenticated yet, and your email should be authenticated. So that's all we need to do to have our email authenticated. So now we're ready to send email. So in this next video, I'm going to show you how to set up your autoresponder. So that way, whenever people enter their information, you will automatically be sending them emails. And I'm going to set you up with 5 emails that you can send them. So go ahead, let's get going. So that's the end of this video. So that will be the focus of the next video, would be getting your autoresponder all set up so we can connect it to our funnel. So thank you all for tuning in. I will see you in the next video.